Introduction to photosynthesis. Plants have a remarkable ability to convert light into food through a process called photosynthesis. This fundamental biological process allows plants to produce their own energy and sustain themselves while contributing to the Earth's ecosystem. Understanding how plants use light to make food provides insight into their role in the environment and the importance of this process for life on Earth. The basics of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy. This occurs primarily in the chloroplasts of plant cells, which contain chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for capturing light. Photosynthesis involves two main stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, Calvin cycle, each playing a crucial role in converting light energy into food. Light-dependent reactions. The light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis take place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. When chlorophyll absorbs light energy, it excites electrons, initiating a series of reactions known as the electron transport chain. This process generates ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, two molecules that store and transport energy. Additionally, water molecules are split, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Role of chlorophyll and pigments. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment involved in capturing light energy, but other pigments such as carotenoids also contribute to photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light most efficiently in the blue and red wavelengths, while carotenoids capture light in the green, yellow, and orange spectra. The combination of these pigments ensures that plants can utilize a broad spectrum of light for energy production. The Calvin cycle. The light-independent reactions, or Calvin cycle, occur in the stroma of the chloroplasts and do not require light directly. Instead, they use the ATP and NADPH produced during the light-dependent reactions to convert carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into glucose. This cycle involves a series of enzyme-mediated steps that transform carbon dioxide into glucose, a simple sugar that plants use for energy and growth. Formation of glucose and other carbohydrates. Glucose produced during photosynthesis serves as a primary energy source for plants. It can be used immediately for cellular respiration to generate ATP or stored as starch for later use. In addition to glucose, the Calvin cycle produces other carbohydrates, such as sucrose, which are used in various metabolic processes and as structural components of plant cells. Importance of light quality and intensity. The efficiency of photosynthesis is influenced by light quality, color, and intensity. Plants require a balance of different light wavelengths for optimal photosynthesis. Red and blue light are most effective for promoting growth and photosynthesis, while green light is less efficiently used but still contributes to the process. Light intensity also affects the rate of photosynthesis. Too little light limits energy production, while excessive light can cause damage to the plant's photosynthetic machinery. Adaptations for different light conditions. Plants have adapted to various light conditions through different mechanisms. For instance, shade-tolerant plants have evolved to perform photosynthesis efficiently in low-light environments, while sun-loving plants have adapted to high-light conditions with specialized pigments and structural features. These adaptations allow plants to thrive in diverse habitats and ensure their survival across a range of environments. Impact on ecosystems. Photosynthesis plays a critical role in ecosystems by providing the foundation for food chains. The glucose and oxygen produced by photosynthetic plants support not only their own growth but also the survival of herbivores and the broader food web. Additionally, photosynthesis helps regulate atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, contributing to climate stability and the overall health of the planet. Conclusion. Photosynthesis is a vital process that enables plants to use light energy to produce food and sustain life. By converting light into chemical energy, plants generate glucose and other carbohydrates essential for growth and development. Understanding how plants utilize light for photosynthesis highlights their importance in ecosystems and underscores the interconnectedness of life on Earth.